Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can create a generalized artificial intelligence. So what will be the scope, what will be the steps that you need to take care while creating this Gen AI project or Gen AI model. So first of all, like again, Gen AI is it comes in different categories. Like it can be a text based, it can be an image based, or it can be a combination of text and image based. So the only thing is like first we have to define the scope, like what is your project scope, and how you want to implement it. So scope should be clear. If it is a combination of text and image, it is only text or it is only image. So once we have the scope, the second thing is the most important part is your data. So we start collecting the data. So in terms of text, like we have all the textual information, books, then PDFs, all the things that are specific to that project. And if we talk about images, so we can go for a data set of huge data set of images, because again, training is the key for any successful model. So after scope, we have the data, and the third thing is now we are going for choosing the model. So in artificial intelligence, we have supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning. So we will go for deep learning. So in deep learning, we have neural network concept, because again, it is going to read the images. So we can go for convolution, so CNN. And if we are going for only text-based data, so we will go for transformers. And if it is a sequential requirement, so we will go for, if the data is sequential, we will go for RNN. So model selection is very important, because again, based upon your scope, if it is image based, go for CNN. If it is text based, go for transformers. And the other thing is like which stream, like we have supervised, unsupervised, deep learning. So we have like PyTorch, we have TensorFlow, we have Keras. So deep learning algorithm, deep learning model should be first of all chosen, and within that we will go for CNN, that is again for images, transformer for text. So once we have chosen based upon the scope which particular model we are going to use for this for the scope, then we start training the model. So training again comes with we divide our data into test train models. So again 80-20%, in which 80% of the data we train the model so that our model is trained. So we have, again we have the dependent variables and we have the independent variables also. So we provide both dependent and independent variable to the model. We trained it, and then once it is trained, we check the accuracy using the matrices that are provided by TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras. And based upon the matrices, like based upon how successful a particular model is, we choose that particular model and then we deploy the model. So these are all the different steps that are required to create a Gen AI model right from the scope, data. Once you have the data, you choose the model. Model you have to choose, like if it is a deep learning, then again you have to go for all the different deep learning models, RNN, CNN, and then transformers. And once it is done, model is accurate, you are getting accurate results, then you go for deploying of the model. So it will be an API based, where you send a request to the model and then you are getting the response. So these are all the steps for Gen AI. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.